21 Big League Baseball. Good luck, Patrick. I'll actually do these pack by pack. Not like we're in any huge hurry. Soroka. Got a nice clean look to it. Remember, these are 2021. So it's last year's rookie. Nice Acuna. Devin Williams orange. Not numbered. Tino, Sanchez rookies. Wanted Christian Yelich. That's a neat insert.
No. Are you looking for singles or wanting to sell singles or wanting to... No, we don't do really much with NASCAR.
Pavin Smith, Garrett, Taveras rookies.
I would just have to look in the...
Acuna highlights.
Look on Google and see. Do a search.
Mike Trout souvenirs.
I don't know if any of the other local shops do that or not.
Mountcastle rookie.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Tatis defensive Wizards.
Is that a sale price or is that an asking price?
Arihara rookie.
But did somebody actually sell it for that, or is that what they're asking for it?
Casey Mize.
Because, yeah, because
Joey Bart rookie.
the sale price versus the asking price, at least for other cards, can often be very, very different. So we just encourage that if you're looking it up on eBay or something
Aaron
like
Judge,
that, make sure you look at
wanted.
the completed or the sold, and that will
Is anything you didn't see
tell
during
you.
this one?
Anything unusual? Yeah.
Yeah.
All that
Anything in a
stuff?
soft sleeve? No,
Jordan
no.
phone cards and other phone cards, and they haven't brought significant amounts for us.
Don Mattingly Award winner.
Oh, you're quite welcome. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.
Mookie Betts defensive Wizards. Tatis. Jazz Chisholm orange parallel rookie.
Got it flat rate before?
The Mize. You have just received Art of the Game, Casey Mize. Insert called Art of the Game. Looks like maybe it was computer art, but still. Abreu. Kyle Lewis highlights. There's your Trout base. Arenado. Freddie Freeman Award winner. Sixto Sanchez. Art of the Game. Kyle Lewis wanted. Cody Bellinger orange. Rafael Devers, Souvenir. Chisholm rookie. Lindor. Joey Bart rookie. Alec Boehm Art of the Game rookie. Jackie Bradley wanted. And good luck, last pack. Mookie Betts and a Gleyber Torres orange.